Hello everyone, my name is Rimka Mathur. I am faculty of SRN International School. Today I will teach you about magical words. These are please, sorry, thank you, may I, excuse me. We like others to like us. Yes, and you need to have lots of friends. Now, to someone to like you, you must have some quality in you. So, we must learn in our speaking some kind words. We are going to learn magical words in our speaking, in our behavior, in dealing with our teachers, friends, neighbors, and family members. Magical words go a long way to help us to get what we want the way we want. These magical words make us more polite and nicer. So, children, let's start with the first magical word, thank you. We use the word thank you to thank person for giving us something we like. When someone gives us a gift or helps us for something we had difficulty to do, what do we say? We say thank you. The next word is please. We use the word please to ask for something. When you want something or when you ask for something, you should say please. If you want to play with your best friend's new toy car, what should you say? May I please play with your car? Please and thank you. These two little words help us to improve our communication. Next one is sorry. When you hurt somebody or when you do something that makes someone feel bad, you must always say sorry. You say a bad word to your friend, the friend feel very hurt and you have to make it up for that. What will you do? You will say, I am sorry. Now, may I. We use the word may I to ask for permission. Next is excuse me. We say the word excuse me after we sneeze or cough. We also say excuse me before we talk to someone who is busy. So children, through this video you have learned 5 golden words which we should use in our day-to-day life. We should be polite to everyone and these magical words help us to improve our communication. You should respect your parents, your teachers and everyone around you. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my video. Thank you.